Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. To get started, hold power key, select, or not select but hold power off option. When you hold it, it does give you this pop-up right here. Reboot to safe mode gives you also a message: do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They'll be restored when you reboot again. So select OK and wait for the device to boot back up into safe mode. And as you can see, now the device is back on. We are now in safe mode. So let me just confirm my PIN for the SIM card. As you can see, there is the safe mode watermark, and this will stay here as long as you are in this mode. And additionally, only the pre-installed apps will function. Anything that I have downloaded from Play Store will basically be disabled and won't be able to start up. And once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is simply reboot the device. So hold power key and select restart to leave this mode. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.